Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to request our board of judges to please stay in your seats. Examining the needs of the requesting everyone to please practice for the singing of our Philippine national anthem, and please do it steadily for our parade.
daming na alaako sa iyong ilaw. Pagkayuan kung halalan ka, ihalat ko kanino sa mga inahako o ginawa hindi. Maawa kahit umuwi. Dapat Ginoo, ilipanin kong yahin mo, ayaw na tingin, alaya ako, mawag kanino. Tanaw Ginoo, sa daming na alaako sa iyong ilaw. Pagkayuan kung halalan ka, ihalat ko kanino sa mga inahako o ginawa hindi. Maawa mo kahit umuwi.
Please be seated. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Annual Festival 2026. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, may I call on Kagawa Marlene Doyle to give us a welcome address. Let's give a round of applause.
Kaya hapon! Ako pagtawag sa patron na sa Senior San Vicente. Iba sino? Ako polis. Pre-concept, everybody hapon. Yan, dapat na. Iba yung school. Ay, salamat sa mga teachers. Lagi na yun ng mga o mga estudyante, mga kalawan, sa barangay lang na mga bisita. Welcome ako maguna sa ato ani o sayo na di early na ito yung pamilya no. O ginamunta na niya mong programa, tuwing, kapagayot, malambot, nakakaninyo ang suporta. Muna, magpasalamat at tanan, in Lord God, tagaan mabasok ng lawas o atong mahal ng patron kung nakita, kapaligtan sa atong Panginoon. Viva Señor! Salamat!
Thank you very much, Kagawa Doyle. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, will be the reading of guidelines. May I call on Ms. Lormi Sauci.
For the rules and guidelines of the Anillo Festival, number 1, the Anillo Festival will be presented April 20, 2026, being supported by Barangay Resolution number 08 and Ordinance number 01, series of 2008. Number 2, each contingent must wear appropriate costumes consistent with the festival. The use of crafts is encouraged to enhance the visual effect. Number 3, each of the contingent shall be composed of the following: A. Performer or dancers, minimum of 30 and maximum of 40, who are residents of Barangay Nangka. Music, 6 minutes will be used during the showdown, excluding entrance and exit. Violation of this provision is penalized by a point deduction from each of the judges' score sheet. Chant, at least 1 minute, which we promote the Agro socio-economic values, people in the Anillo Festival as a nourishment of cultural values. Number 4, the Anillo Festival is only a field competition or showdown. Number 5, each contingent is required to provide their respective crowd control measure and provide their needs such as drinking water, paintings, and snacks during the entire period of the competition. The showdown field competition will be presented at 2 p.m. on the same day of Barangay Nangka, Mokar, Corpus, Quadrangle. The performance of the showdown shall not exceed 6 minutes countdown starts until the official timekeeper, Luminates House Production staff, gives the go signal for the contingent to start performing and hence when the contingent starts to exit or upon the lapse of the 8-minute performance time as indicated by the signal from the official timekeeper. Time consumed by each contingent will be announced after the performance. Each contingent given 3 minutes to prepare the craft, dancers, etc. prior to the performance. Performance cover time is penalized with a 1 point for 20 seconds dash under the age of the judge's score sheet. Number 7, the contingent may use black backdrops with a maximum height of 8 feet. No risers allowed. Number 8, the criteria for a Neo Festival. Choreography, 35%. Mastery and discipline, 20%. Visual impact, 15%. Appropriateness of crafts, 20%. Musicality, 10%. A total of 100%. Number 9, cash prizes for special awards. Best in choreography, 1,000 pesos and a trophy. Best in costume, 1,000 pesos and a trophy. Most disciplined group, 1,000 pesos. Trainer of the year, 1,000 pesos. Number 10, each contingent is given a subsidy of 20,000 pesos upon submission of their property built at official entry form. The said amount is to be used by the participating contingents in the conduct of their entry to the 10th Annual Festival. Brother, the ranking system shall be used to determine the winners. Number 12, upon submission of the duly filled up entry form, the contingent binds themselves to comply with the rules and guidelines of the EO Festival competition. The entry form should be submitted on or before the deadline in writing March 27 at Barangay Nangka, Corpus Hall, Antonio Intas or Chief Kenneth Buheno. Number 13, the decision of the panel of judges is final and not subject of appeal. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, klaro natin na. Okay, so this time, looking at the board of judges. Kahit wala yung tinigil this afternoon. So our first judge, Gold Dancer Stepper Nicholas, joining the Private Schools Athletic Association 2026, representing Salman University. Stepper Nicholas in the Asian Pacific representing the Philippine team of Salman University. Karate team, consistent math challenger, taking a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at Salman University. Ladies and friends, our first judge, Ms. Chelsea Flor Solia. Our second judge, presently connected at the local government unit of Iowa City. A dancer, a trainer, a choreographer of festivals and youth fashion, a master physical dancer, a culture and art enthusiast. Ladies and friends, our second judge, Mr. Renier G. Bueno. Our chairman of the board of judges, award-winning choreographer, designer, and beauty queen expert. Book Blossom Blossom winner of Book Blossom Queen awarded as Best in Costume and Best Choreographer. Taolao Festival Grand Champion 2026 and awarded as Best Choreographer. Ladies and gentlemen, our board of judges this afternoon, Ms. Magit B. Kainela. Very well. Ladies and gentlemen, our board judges.
For further clarification, it is 6 to 7 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, this time will be the parade. Philippines is a country blessed by boundless nature and rich culture. So diversity has one common belief. All throughout the ages, our people believe in the spirits of nature, guardians of the field or amigos. The offer gifts and sacrifices in order to be blessed and to ask for a peaceful and successful celebration. This gathering asks help from the Oracle Suko Babayan to lead the parade.
Si Janet tulong. Janet po. Jan! Jan!
To arrive. The Banik is a symbol of our new beginning. Now, to be over by Tagawan Islamic Beach Court and Tagawan Mardontua Yoso. Please see the center of the way to remind us that if we work hand in hand and unite, we can make things. Together the body, the rap, resemblance of our openness and humble approach in life. Kanya, to be overpowered by our basic desire